Pettyjohns. Me and T Blizzy gonna fuck this shit up in a good way. You got a little bit of a draft?
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead.
Oh wow, yeah. There's definitely a draft in here. Start to our adventure. You alright?
I'm probably gonna bust my ass for this all over.
Oh yeah, same. So this is the entrance room. It's huge. Oh cool, got a gnarly formation over here. Be cool?
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy looking. Alright. Yeah, this is what I would consider a passage if I've ever seen one. Man, I have a whole new respect for people who make these cave videos. Having a GoPro on is a pain in the ass. Probably won't bring it next time, honestly. Oh, so muddy. Golly.
Might have to get wet.
Dude. Oh man, I hope that wasn't a GoPro. All right. We find the way?
Yep.
Oh, thank God. That breakdown bullshit was really starting to get to me. I'd be like, I drove all this way out to Pettyjohns just to get stuck in some breakdown. Now, this is probably some good GoPro footage in something like this. Those muddy pathways that we were in at first. Dude, this GoPro had like an inch of mud on it. Whoa, it goes two separate ways.
Maybe.
Which way do we want to go?
Whichever way it keeps going.
You never really know in this fucking cave, huh? Oh, is this a sump?
Dude, look at the bubble coming from.
Huh?
Oh. Driven from the ceiling.
It's definitely a sump.
Maybe it goes this way.
I think.
Is this where they were running through that little river section?
Yeah, what's our alternative back that way?
Yeah.
I'm down to go this way because this takes us deeper.
This looks more promising.
Yeah. Thank God for waterproof boots.
Yeah, not really waterproof. It'll be alright.
You should gotta change your clothes out. Oh man! I think I just smacked this GoPro on the ceiling. I'm gonna fucking step up here. So I got the option to take a slip and credit card yourself.
Right.
There's some flowstone back here. That's for damn sure. Covered in mud. Dude, I think this is the pancake squeeze.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's fucking dope. That means we're in real cave. This is the pancake squeeze. Let's see if... And it'd be nice to know which way we were supposed to go is the only issue. I think that looks promising back over there.
Yeah, because there's no shit coming from the ceiling. If we're going this way, it would have been. It wouldn't be so smooth.
Alright, we crawling. Kind of slick. I think it kind of opens up too. Looks like it might. Oh no, it don't open up.
No?
Oh wait, yes it does. Yes it does. Was that you?
What?
You grabbed my boot?
No.
Must have dragged it across the ceiling. It's the cave monster. Okay, yeah. It opens up. Alright. Whoa. This gets so low.
I guess that's why they call it pancake food.
Alright.
It does open up.
It does, yeah. God damn, they tied these little loops. Oh, but you can climb up too. See what's down first. Down sketches me out less. Yeah, this fucker goes down. She goes deep. I hear water. Shh. I hear a lot of water, dude. Like a fucking river.
Yeah.
Alright, Jacob, don't get excited and fucking trip and or slip and fall.
It goes all the way down.
Yeah, I saw that. I thought this way would be easier, but
Is it not?
it's hard to tell because I haven't gone down the other way, but it's really slippery, I'll say that. Wow, dude, I hear some fucking water. Dude, it goes down here. I'm so tempted to do that. But the water's coming from over here. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude.
What?
This goes down maybe 40 feet.
Dude, that's what this roof right here is for.
No.
Look.
I know, but does it keep on going down even further into the pit?
Yeah.
Oh, then let's take the rope. Yeah, I just stumbled upon like a fucking little pitfall. Okay, yeah, this is the fucking way. Dude, you've been finding every single good passageway, thank you. If you had followed me, we'd probably be dead.
Shit is hella slippery.
So we climbed down that crazy, it ended up being like a 40-foot drop. Here we are in this canyon, followed the rushing water, and it goes up there pretty damn high. Some cave foam. Yeah, it just keeps on going.
Yeah.
Now we're splunking. if you can hear me, GoPro, we just crawled through a really muddy sump after that waterfall. It's a couple hundred feet of just pure, really, really tight passageways with 3-inch deep mud. It sucked. Yeah, that's that way we saw earlier that.
I'm tempted, but the other part is like, just get the fuck out of here.
So what?
I said I'm tempted, but the other half of me is like, just get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, no kidding. I just wish that we, I don't know, man. I wish I was a little bit more prepared map-wise, so we didn't waste like an hour and a half or 2 hours just trying to find a passageway.
That was part of the journey, man.
Fair enough. That's the mindset.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a little.
Yeah, there's a vein running right through it. I bet you that'll fracture.
That shit. Fucking quartz.
That's so cool looking. I bet you that shit will fracture before any of the other rock does. Yeah, it's still going over here too. It's like a seam. So is the canyon together. Oh yeah, this is where it opens up. Yeah, full-size canyon. You know what I forgot to bring?
What?
A towel.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, I've got like probably 30 hand towels, so.
I just brought an extra t-shirt.
What's up?
I just brought an extra t-shirt, like I brought 2 clean.
Oh, nice. You're more than welcome to use some of those hand towels.
Yeah. You know what's funny? I thought about bringing a towel and just didn't.
Yeah, I'm gonna add that to my caving list of necessities. It's not even optional, it's a fucking necessity. Oh man, this would have to climb up.
One of them.
Oh, you're freaking me out, Tanner.
What?
Any green tape?
Huh?
Any green tape?
Somewhere.
Oh boy.
Let's go up. Here we go.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I don't remember having to jump down to the canyon. I feel like I remember that because I'd be worried about busting my teeth out in the wall. Yeah.
Whoa, dude.
What's up?
Never mind, I thought that was a crystal. It wasn't.
Yo, can I borrow your pocket?
Huh?
Can I borrow your pocket? By the way, I just found that, so we're on the
Cool.
right way. I think we're out of the bridge room. I'm just gonna be excited to see that pancake squeeze. I never thought I'd say that, but We gotta climb up this shit. Oh man. I'm not looking forward to this. At least they've got hand loops and foot loops. Oh my god, could you imagine? Alright. I am so cold. Thank God this is a static rope. Got it. Oh, this is so sketchy. There's a crack up here. It's really been helping to put my foot in between the crack and kind of like pinch me in. Just a heads up for whenever you make this awful climb. All right, I think that's the hardest part from what I remember. Hold on, you're about to pull me off, Huh? I'm still holding on to the rope. You're pulling me off the ledge. How am I going to save you if you're dead? Oh man. So this is not there's a harder part right here. Fuck. No, it's all good. I think I just gotta figure out how to get between the squeeze. Okay. Quite literally is a squeeze. Oh, fucking Christ. So slippery. All right, bro, come on. God, there's too much mud in my chin strap, it won't buckle. All right. Fuck, I might have to get you to throw my backpack up to me. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. 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 Almost. Oh. My knee just did something weird. How you doing down there? I don't know why I keep on asking you questions. We're in the middle of this. There's one way to do it. Honestly, I have no idea where to go.
Definitely would have been fucked without tape.
Say what?
Definitely wouldn't have gone this deep without tape.
No. Hell no. Dude, we just fucking went so deep into this cave.
How did we start off sweating so much and end up so fucking cold?
I think because when we first got in here, we had our nerves going. We were still asking ourselves the questions, are we going to get lost? Is the cave going to collapse? Is it going to flood? All that fun bullshit. Dude, this is probably... How high up do you think we are right now? 50, 60 feet from where we were?
Yeah.
Look, damn, this is a whole formation that fell off the wall. Tanner's like, I don't fucking care, dude.
Keep an eye out. Tape is the only thing on.
All I see is tape.
Here's some tape.
How the fuck do we get over there?
Here's some tape.
You okay?
I think I just put my hand on a spider.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Alright. Another rope.
No way. Oh, that's not a bad one though. Here, I'm gonna put this piece of green tape in your pocket, okay?
Sticks to my hands from what?
I think I know where we're at actually.
There's the Milwaukee pen.
Yeah, oh yeah. Shout out Milwaukee for fucking just doing everything right. Wonder why that was even in here. I'm gonna fucking take it and see if it works. Start tiling with this thing. I think this is one of the old ones where they didn't have the This looks fun. Oh. Yeah, we're about to be right at the pancake squeeze.
Oh yeah.
That rope's been here for such a long time. Cave bacon. Oh shit.
There's another rope right there.
Yeah. Fuck the rope. Yeah. For the pancake squeeze.
Can't be taking any big boys down here.
Hell no. I come down here to get stuck. Damn, that fart stinks. It's gonna be forever trapped in the cave too. I keep on like resisting touching the ground because I think it's about to be like that mud we were in earlier. It's not bad. It's getting deeper. Yeah, these formations kind of, they remind me of, you know what like really hot peppers look like? They have that kind of like devilish curl to them.
What's the type of pepper?
Really, really hot peppers. You know how they have that like gnarly ass look to them?
Yeah. Oh, thank God for tape.
Oh, damn. Oh, thank you. Probably got like 15 more minutes till we're out of here. It blows my mind how big this cave is. We only saw like a quarter of it.
Oh shit.
Oh, nice.
You got that?
Looks like it. Oh yeah, yeah we did. Another piece of green tape. Oh my God. Daylight. Holy shit. You look like a fucking troglodyte crawling out of that hole.
Holy fuck, dude.
So you want to go caving? Fuck yeah.